The second part of our tongue is the middle part of our tongue. And from the middle part, there are 4 letters, 3 in one pair and 1 is separate. The 3, Jeem, Sheen and Ya, will pronounce from the same place, and the 4th word, which is Daad, is pronounced from the sides of our tongue. So what is the makharij of these 3 words? These 3 words have a makharij when the middle part of our tongue rises towards the soft part, which is known as palate of our mouth. Then these 3 letters will pronounce. How? Jeem, Sheen, Ya. You can feel that the center of your tongue is rising towards the upper part of your mouth. And the 4th word and the 4th letter, which is Daad, this letter will pronounce when the sides of your tongue, you can see that these sides when touch your pre-molars, then the Daad will pronounce. What pre-molars? The upper pre-molars. When the sides of your tongue touches the upper pre-molars, then the letter Daad will pronounce. And that rule, if we apply that rule on these 4 words, then we can know that what is the correct pronunciation of these 4 words. And that rule is Hamza Fatha Jeem Aj, Hamza Fatha Sheen Ash, Hamza Fatha Ya Ay, Hamza Fatha Daad Al. You can see that even in a very easy and simple way, we pronounce these 4 letters correctly. So what is the makharij of these 4 letters? The center of our tongue.